Hi everyone, are you ready to discover our JAFRA Royal Olive experience? Many of you already know me. My name is Monica Barrera. I'm your JAFRA Beauty Pro, and today we will discover more about our JAFRA Royal Olive collection that is made with olive oil, olive leaf extract, and vitamin E. It's going to give you that refreshing aroma of citrus and woody. So are we ready to meet the collection? Let's get started. First of all, I want to share a little bit of the story of olive. Surround your sense with the Mediterranean-inspired riches of royal olive. It's known as the liquid gold olive oil, and it has been treasured since antiquity. Its leaf branches have long symbolized peace around the world. But did you know that our royal olive collection is free from gluten, sulfates, dyes, and parabens? This collection is more than skincare. It's self-care with ancient roots, and it's formulated with olive oil, a golden drop of hydration. It's also made with olive leaf extract that is going to give you that gentle antioxidant shield. And it has vitamin E, which is a must to have for a soft, smooth skin. So let's dive into the collection and see how every product works together. First off, we have our Royal Olive Enriching Body Wash. This body wash transforms into a silky foam that cleanses and refreshes your skin, and it's going to target dryness, dullness, and impurities. One of the key ingredients is vitamin E, which is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin from free radicals, environmental stressors, and premature aging. And how are you going to use this one? You can either use it as a shower gel or as a foam bath. Next, we have our Royal Olive Exfoliating Body Scrub. Are you ready to say hello to hydrated, soft skin? What I like about this product, it's the benefits. It's going to remove that dead skin cells, it's going to smooth those rough areas. And maybe you're asking yourself, how often should I exfoliate my skin? You can use it every 2 to 3 days for best results. And our pro tip that we can share with you is to focus on elbows, knees, and other rough areas that you want to exfoliate. I have a question for you. Have you tried layering lotion and oil for extra hydration and that JAFRA glow? Well, some of the benefits of our body oil is that it's going to provide intense hydration, it's going to add that healthy glow, and it's going to seal in moisture. And the pro tip that we can give you is to layer body oil over that lotion for extra hydration, especially during colder months. And the benefit about our body lotion is that it's going to deeply hydrate, soften, and nourish your skin. But our hands also deserve that royal treatment, right? So our Royal Olive Moisturized Rich Hand Cream, it's lightweight formula. It's going to absorb quickly, so you can just apply and go to your activities. It's that hydration on the go. You can put it in your purse, in your car, in your desk. And it's also going to help you shield the skin from dryness caused by hand washing or the environment. And the other thing that I like about this product is that it's light scented with a fresh of comforting fragrance. And in addition to that, this creamy formula is infused with provitamin B5, cocoa butter, olive oil, olive leaf extract, and vitamin E. Now that you have discovered more of the benefits of this collection, let me know which one is your favorite product.